busy. Hey guys, it's Jeyjeybink here. Guess what? I've got a really cool thing to show you guys. Apparently, I'm an influencer now.
Apparently, I've never been on live television before.
Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Anyways, the other day, I was just chilling out, playing some Sims, then all of a sudden a little cheeky little email popped up and it said, "Hey Jeyjeybink, we like your videos. Can we please send you a keyboard? Kind regards, yours sincerely, yours forever, Logitech." I was like, yes? Look what I got. I'm so freaking excited! ASMR? Too much? I got myself a G915 keyboard, wireless, light speed, GL tactile, light sync, whatever the that means. For you pros out there looking at me like, who's this thinking that she knows equipment and technology? Well, my friend, I've got some news for you. I don't. I'm just a gal from Australia who plays The Sims and makes videos about it. I'm going to unbox this for you guys today. I'm going to have a look at the keys, and I really like that there's like a number pad on there because we're going to use that for changing swatches on The Sims. There's all these little kind of hotkeys that I use on The Sims that this is going to make my life so much more easier. I'm so freaking excited. This is the packaging. Keep playing. Damn right I will, Logitech. Damn right. You heard me. A bit of a light speed RGB. So I think what that means is once the keyboard is plugged in, different colors will pop up. RGB stands for really great booties. Let's start unboxing this bad boy. I'm so bloody excited, oh my god. Got a little tab. We don't even need scissors or anything. You just open it up. Fine. Oh, it was actually quite easy to open. I just made my life a little bit more difficult. Oh my god. Oh yes. Oh yes, I like this. I'm just like touching all the keys. I'm like one of those like kids in a store that just touches everything. I love that the keys are low profile. And listen, it's actually pretty quiet, so it's really good for my streams. Like this is like really, really quiet. I just hit myself in the chin. I'm so excited. Oh my lord, that's really light. In my Twitch streams, I tend to get up and dance. This is the rhythm of the night. Oh yeah. Shut up. Shush. Thank you. All right. Oh, listen to that. This rolls up and down to adjust your camera. This is so light. Oh my god. So this is a Bluetooth or light speed connecting keyboard. So what you got to do is plug this little bad boy into your PC or your computer, and it should connect up, and it should be very easy to sync up. And then you've got these little stands to kind of prop it up when you sit it down. Oh, you could also just, hey, this is handy. This is, I think, what you charge it with. And like, I think you could even directly plug it in, which is really cool. And then what else? And then we've got some stickers. And then we have a nice little manual. This is my thumbnail photo. Doesn't show the product, just shows the pamphlet. Oh god. The Logitech is probably going to look back at this and be like, who is this person? Why the hell did we just like waste our money sending her a keyboard? Thanks, Logitech. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like plugged in. So watch this fucking space. So you have this little USB light speed thingamabob that plugs directly in your PC to make this keyboard wireless. But then if you want to just plug it directly into your PC, you can use these bad boys that look like this. So what you do is there's this little bit over here Get rid of the dog hair. Plug it in like so. There we go. And then you can plug this directly into your PC, or I'd recommend plugging it into the back so you can tuck the cords into the back of your monitor. For this purpose, I'm going to just show you the wireless. So what we do is we have this bad boy. Oh, it's a little baby. So you just plug this straight in. Setting up device. Device is ready. Oh my god! Oh my god, look at, and that changes the volume. See? Mr. Binksy, stop. I can play the game from here if I wanted to. Look, it's working! Thank you, Logitech, for this keyboard. I don't know why you chose me to do this, because I clearly do not know what I'm doing. I can touch type. This is fun. It's so easy to type. I love this so much. Like, genuinely. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I would love to hear your thoughts and comments if you like me doing things like this. I have plans on doing more YouTube videos where I will be doing a few challenges with building on The Sims 4, so you'll probably be seeing a lot more of that from me. Make sure you check out my Twitch channel, my TikTok, of course, and also like and subscribe and follow and comment and frame. Download this video and watch it every morning. Use it as a tool for you to feel inspired and be the best you that you can be today. I don't even know what I'm saying. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! I never know how to freaking end these videos.